Myntri katnat ka Koit ka Khiah Khiah sangma ulapan pau ya ka Lyngngoh but bo jingkali babale uba el hek Iada na ka por shakapor ya ka KPC group ka ba ka sarkar kala ya soy sekolah banchina ya ka Shillong Medical College habakran bagilap thai khubor sulong balada uba hek uyaha bat ka jingkwa jungki kan bhaban kali na balai minjur banchim khajana na ki khina da ka ba pha sio bon ka pisa ulaban rapru da ka ba yathu ba ka KPC group kalapan bon ki jingala ha ka MOU Kapapelong yak sarkar bal menjor show yak sekolah ulang ru balada kipin bon kam de kini kitai kani ke jaka puli kan umpa perthai.
I think the honorable member didn't hear my reply properly. There is no question of fooling anybody here. On the contrary, I would say that this project, having been in cold storage for the past 9 to 10 years, has been a great loss. Both financially and also in terms of the loss and of opportunity of countless number of students who could have, taken advantage of having a medical college in the state, and it would have benefited so many of our youth. So when you look at that, we can see that it is of utmost importance, and also that urgency is there to make sure that the past 9 years, whatever's happened has happened, for whatever reason there may be. But I think that it's time for us now to take this forward. And the honorable member did not hear what I said, because I spelled out the reasons why we had to cancel this MOU between KPC and why we're going in a fresh manner. Changes requested by the earlier concessionaire, that is the KPC group, which mentions in which they have requested for change in the fee structure. Well, if Bahek endorses that view, well, I think you have to pose that question to him, that why is he agreeable, to taxing our students to pay higher fees. For us as a government, no, that is now non-negotiable. For us as a government, we want to ensure that our students from our state, the youth of our state, whatever fee structure we have in the past, they remain the same, because many of our students come from very, very humble backgrounds. So if Bahek is agreeable to all that, then I think he needs to be asked why. And he needs to be also asked why he's being so defensive, of his friends, the KPC group. For me, I think I find it very strange, this defensive stance that he's taking about KPC.